Jennifer, I am back with another video with my trusty assistant here, and today we are going to play with bubbles. Bubbles are one of those great first activities for any age. Even babies, 6-month-olds love them, right? Do you love them? Yes. So we have lots of different ways to play bubbles. First, we are going to play it our traditional way with our bubble wand here, and you ready to catch them? How are you going to do this? Oh, you want to catch with the egg? All right. Just want to pop it with your hands. All right, so we are working on visual tracking. We are working on gross motor skills, squatting. Whoops. Can you stomp on them? Oh, you can get that foot really high. Can you wait till it comes to the ground? There it is. So for my nonverbal kids, I often put the lid back on and I wait for them to come to me to ask for more.
More bubbles, please.
You want more bubbles, please? And then I might do the fake that I can't get the lid off. It's stuck. Can you help? Oh, there we go. To get more of those fine motors in there, fine motor skills in there. So now we're going to play with another way. I have a plastic Easter egg, and we're going to work on some bilateral coordination that way. Are you ready?
Yes.
So this is great for visual tracking, especially for those kids who like to watch the TV scroll at the end of a TV show, or who are spinning themselves around. Oops. They're looking for more visual stim, and this is one way to give it to them in a more playful way. We can work on some oral motor skills so that she can blow the bubbles. Oh, there you go. Want to do it again? Working on breath control, working on timing. Whoa, so many bubbles. We can work on counting. So many bubbles. My last idea at the dollar store, I have this little chick. I'm going to put some bubbles in my container. And scooch over 1 second. So the bubble blower on its mouth has the little thing. So we're working on some hand strength. I'm going to have you do it. Working on bilateral skills, so she has to hold the bubble container with one hand. Got it? Do you see this little thing? I want you to hold that. There you go. And then turn around so everybody else could see. You have to make sure that it's completely turned over. So working on nice hand strength. Good job. So you could take turns and you could have somebody else catch your bubbles and be a good friend. Do you like that, chick? Yep. Trusty Dollar Tree. All right. Thanks so much. Hope that you have fun with bubbles. Stay safe, wash your hands, and clean up.